So what I'm going to do here is show you a really simple way to use Power Query Intellisense in a way that doesn't drive you nuts. So what do I mean by that? Well, here we are. Let's just use it. I'm going to add a custom column. And let's just start using the current IntelliSense. So it's date is the thing I want. And I want to take the date and turn it into text so I can format it. So I do to text. So there's date dot to, and there's the actual thing I want down there. It's not intuitive. It didn't immediately get me to what I want, so now I'm going to accept it as you would typically do. Hit tab, and what happens is we get this extra date in the actual code itself, which means the code won't work. So it's annoying, it's frustrating, but let's just try another way. I'm going to cancel that and then just start again. Okay, so this time I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Add custom column, but I'm going to give it a name, and the name lies the answer. A simple way to use Power Query Intellisense, no dots. So date to, no dot, didn't put a dot in. There's the thing I want. It immediately gets me there. I hit tab and it works. It's that simple. Just finish off what I want it to do so I can accept that. So that is how you do it. Don't put any dots in. And I have to give you the credit to who shared this up. This is where this came from. So it was a post. Bernat had just posted his frustration about Power Query Intellisense, and Eiki Sue, which I hope I've pronounced properly, is the person who pointed out that try not to include the dot and click tab. You'll get what you want. So easy. Love it.